Professional cleaners, are you struggling to clean hard-to-reach areas? Dust and fluff build up in high places, making cleaning difficult and time-consuming. The solution? Extension pipes that help you reach and remove dust from tricky areas like vents, high walls, and ceilings. Made from high-quality plastic, our extension pipes are lightweight and durable. The push-fit connection makes assembly quick and easy. And for even harder to reach surfaces, our flexible adapter bends and adjusts to clean tight corners and awkward surfaces. They're also compatible with most commercial vacuums, including Pacvac, Pullman, and any vacuum with a standard 32mm or 35mm fitting. With these extension pipes, you can clean high areas with ease, save time and effort, improve air quality, and deliver a spotless clean. This product is trusted by professional cleaners all across New Zealand for tackling dust in hard-to-reach places. Get yours today. Order online at Epic Distributors and place your order before 2 p.m. for next day delivery.